Hi everyone, my name is Thomas Kim. Today is April 4th, 2020. This is my 8th episode about the programming language C++ standard. In this episode, I will discuss type decay and C++ static array. My current session continues from my previous episode. If you haven't watched my previous episode, please double-click this link and watch my previous video. Episode 07 Constant versus constexpr Static array constant expression or compile time expression. Understanding constant expression or compile time expression is crucial for successful C++ programming. If you do not have a solid understanding of constant expression or compile time expression, it might be very difficult for you to understand modern C++ language correctly. I highly recommend you to watch my previous video. If you do not have source code from our previous episode, you can double-click this link and download source code from our previous episode. Unzip it, rename 08, type decay, copy the folder, paste it to your working directory. This is my working directory. Start Visual Studio Code. Open your working folder. This is my working folder. Double-click strarray.cpp from folder 008. Ctrl-V, Ctrl-N. void _2 how to know array type. Copy the function name, copy, paste it in function main. Disable this function. Before we start, I will remind you two things. First, static arrays are not copyable. Second, type decay occurs when a static array is passed to a function by value, but does not occur when passed by reference. Please keep these points in mind. Now, INTA 1, 2, 3 or B A or reference C A. Question 1. What is the type of A? Question 2. What is the type of B? Question 3. What is the type of C? What is the type of A? What is the type of B? What is the type of C? Let's check out. See out. The type of A. Talk, play, fun. Get type category A. And L. See out. The type of B. Talk, play, fun. Get type category B. And L. See out. The type of C. Talk, play, fun. Get type category C. And L. Now start command prompt. dir cd 008 type decay dir cpp clehsc sdd C++ latest sd array.cpp fe m.exe hit enter clsm. The type of A is int3. The type of B is integer pointer. The type of C is integer reference 3. So the type of A is int3. The type of B is integer pointer. The type of C is integer 3 reference. This reference should be found in parentheses. Understanding this point is very important. Now, void 3 understanding type decay of static array. Now I copy this function, copy, paste. I disable it. Now here, template, type name T, void, pass as by value T A. Cout the type of A, passed by value talk play fun, get type category A, and there. Now I copy once again, copy, paste, passed by reference. Now this is reference. I say B. The type of B passed by reference. Now scroll down. I will copy this, copy, paste it here, pass by value A, cout, and there. Pass by reference A, cout, and there. Now we build again CLSM. So this array is passed by value, this function. In this case, the type of A is integer pointer. Passed by reference. In this case, the type is integer reference 3. This is reference type of array. I scroll up, type decay of a static array means that the type of an array, for example integer 3, is converted to integer pointer. Type decay occurs when a static array is passed to a function by value, but not by reference. Now let's try another very important example. Void for static array with C string. Copy this function, copy, paste, disable it, auto msg equal C style string. What is the type of msg? Cout the type of msg talk play fun, get type category msg, and there. Now we build again CLSM. So the type of msg, this msg is constant character pointer. Now we call this function pass by value. What's its type? Cout, and there I copy again, paste by reference. This function. Sorry, I missed E. I missed E. I missed E. I fixed like this. When we call this function, specify value, what will be the type of A? We passed literal string. Specify reference, literal string. If we build CLSM, the type of A specify value, constant character pointer. Constant character pointer. In this case, specify reference. This template function as reference. The type of B specify reference constant character reference 17. This is constant character array. Understanding this point is very important in template metaprogramming. Now we learn how to get the element count of static array like this. Void 5 element count of static array int a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Template type name array type or array size. Void get array by reference. Array type array size. Now this is array type, this is array size. Now we need an instance A. We need to bind parentheses and the reference. Array type S for size T I equals 0, I less than array size plus I S plus equal A is array I. See out the element count of A array size. See out the type of array type. Talk play fun. Get type name. Array type. See out the type of A. Talk play fun. Get type category A. I will return or return S. Now here or S equal, we call this function and we pass A. Stream S equals S and there. This is cout. I will copy this function name, copy, paste it here. I will disable it. Why is squiggle? Now let's build. It built. CLSM. So element count of A array size is 10. Type of array type, this array type is int. Type of A is integer reference 10. The result S is 55. IntelliSense does not work, has some problem. Or we can say size T. Okay, it's better. We build again. It works perfectly. Or we can just say auto. Okay? We build again. It works perfectly. IntelliSense does not work properly in this case. Now let's try with Gnu Compiler and the clang compiler. dir cd 008 type decay dir.cpp g++ std c++2a sd array.cpp ltbb ltbb proxy o g.exe hit enter clsg. GNU compiler also works correctly. Now with clang compiler, clang hit enter. Clang compiler also works correctly. Ctrl+Shift+P edit configuration JSON. You can see C++ standard C++17. This Visual Studio Code does not currently support auto keyword as template parameter type. Let's move on. I will close it. Click this button. Talk, play, fun. Types. Now scroll down. Here, namespace, talk, play, fun. End of namespace, talk, play, fun. Namespace, types. End of namespace, types. Now, auto, template, type name, element type, auto, element count, auto, array, size, element type, element count. We need reference. Now, here, return element count. Please understand that array name is empty because we don't use array name in this case. Now, here, void 6 element count and decay. I will copy this, copy auto count types array size A cout y is giggle. So please ignore this. Our IntelliSense does not work properly. Element count of A count and there. Now I copy this, copy, paste it here. I will disable it. We build again. We are using Microsoft compiler. M. Element count of A is 10. Okay? Please understand how we use this function. Or we can just say size T. Okay? This is better because our IntelliSense does not support. Also, I will change it to size t. Now we know how to get array element count, this syntax. In my next episode, I will explain why type decay is very important. Also, how to use multi-dimensional array in C++ programming. I will upload complete source code to my website. By the time you watch this video, you can double-click this link and download the complete source code. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.